What if one accident changed the way humans ate forever? It all started with a simple campfire. For thousands of years, early humans ate most of their food raw. Then one day, a piece of meat fell into the fire. Instead of throwing it away, someone decided to taste it. The result was surprising. It was softer, tastier, and much easier to chew. Soon the whole tribe gathered around the flames. Curiosity spread faster than the fire itself. Cooking became more than a new habit. It became a way of life. The tribe quickly realized this wasn't just tastier food. It was a smarter way to survive. Cooked meat became softer and easier to eat. Even children and older people could enjoy it. Because cooked food was easier to digest, the body could get more energy from every meal. Many scientists believe this extra energy helped support the growth of the human brain over time. The campfire became more than a place to cook. It became the heart of the tribe. People began experimenting with different foods. Meat, fish, roots, and plants all tasted better over the fire. Meals became moments of sharing. Families gathered, talked, and learned together. Cooking also helped make some foods safer to eat and could reduce harmful germs in many cases. Hunters could carry prepared food on long journeys, making travel and survival easier. What started as a simple discovery was quietly changing the future of humanity. The discovery didn't stay with one tribe. It spread from family to family across generations. Cooking quickly became part of everyday life. Almost every meal now began with a fire. Children learned by watching their parents. The tradition continued for thousands of years. Across different regions, people discovered their own ways to cook. Some even learned to preserve food with smoke, making supplies last much longer. Prepared meals made long journeys easier. Hunters could travel farther than ever before. The campfire became the center of community life. People ate, celebrated, and solved problems together. Curiosity led to new recipes. Humans discovered that many different foods could be improved with heat. Night after night, stories were shared around the fire along with warm meals. Cooking wasn't just changing food, it was changing human culture itself. Cooking didn't just change meals, it changed the future of our species. Food became easier to chew and digest, allowing humans to gain more energy from every bite. With more energy available, people could spend more time creating tools and solving problems. Evenings around the fire became moments for planning, teaching, and working together. Children learned important survival skills simply by watching the adults. Over thousands of years, these small changes shaped the way humans lived. The campfire became the heart of every community, bringing people together every single day. One simple discovery helped unlock countless future innovations. Generation after generation, the knowledge of cooking was passed forward. Human progress wasn't built overnight. It was built around a fire. One simple campfire changed the way humans would eat forever. That discovery spread across generations, shaping villages, families, and civilizations. For thousands of years, people have gathered around food to share stories and build relationships. Even today, every kitchen carries the legacy of those first ancient fires. The meal you eat tonight has a history that began thousands of years ago. From a single flame, the knowledge of cooking spread across the world. Cooking became more than survival. It became part of human culture. Every generation added something new, but it all started with one curious discovery. Sometimes the smallest moments create the biggest changes. Ancient humans didn't just learn to cook food, they helped shape the future of humanity.